Hey there, welcome. Today is August 7th. It's Friday. The weekend is starting, but we won't waste the day just yet because we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Look, here's the simplest possible strategy for buying and selling Bitcoin. This is a strategy based on 4-year cycles, and the fact that, until now, Bitcoin has grown for 3 years and then fallen for 1 year. Look here again, earlier. It grew for 3 years, then fell. Even earlier, it grows for 3 years, then falls. Even earlier, that was the very beginning of Bitcoin. It also grows for 3 years, then falls for a year. And it just so happens that these drops and these rises started at a specific point in time. And that was precisely related to the halvings. Look, after the first Bitcoin halving, about 500 days after that halving, if we had sold Bitcoin, we would have had a very good selling price. And then with the money from the sale, we could have bought back Bitcoin exactly 500 days before the next halving. Look, here we would have sold in this red box. So, for example, an average price of $700 per Bitcoin, over $700. And then we would have bought back at around $240, more than 80% cheaper. And then look, we buy here at around $250 and we sell at around almost $10,000, right? Even more. Even here, the price reached, I remember this cycle, it was 2017. It even reached $19,000 here. Look, and that sale was about 500 days after the halving. I never do it in a way where I sell exactly 500 days after the halving, but rather when we have that date 500 days after the halving, I subtract 3 months from it and add 3 months to it, and I sell a little bit every week. And it's the same with purchases afterwards. 3 months, 500 days before the next halving. As you can see here was the next halving in the year 2020. So we measure out 500 days. It comes out to November of 2018. So 3 months earlier, we start buying slowly. We buy. We buy every week. We'll get to that 500 days after the halving and another 3 months further. Tick, 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 tick. We buy. And that's it. Once it's bought, we wait for the next halving, and 500 days after the next halving, we sell again. Approximately, right? I always do it in such periods, 6-month periods, meaning 3 months before and 3 months after that specific date. And then again, look, here we were selling at prices around $50,000 a piece, and then we were buying at $18,000 a piece. And again, we were buying around 18 below 20,000 a piece, and we were selling just now, almost a year ago, around $100,000 a piece. Even here, those prices we were even selling for $120,000. And now we sold again for $120, for $100. And now I hope we will buy. That'll start at the end of this month. We will be buying Bitcoin for 6 months. I hope we'll buy it at an average price of, for example, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 a piece, which is more than half the price we sold it for. So, for example, if you had sold 2 Bitcoins here, you could buy back 4 Bitcoins now with that money. Yeah, I hope that's how it'll be. I don't know about that, but I hope that's how it'll be. And that date will be August 24th. From that moment on, from August 24th of this year, 2026, I'll be buying, for example, $5,000 worth of Bitcoin once a week for how long? 6 months, 6 times 4 for 24 weeks. Oh, I even have it written down here. Start September 2026, and we finish in February 2027. Oh, buy BTC every Monday for 26 weeks in a row. And that's it. For me, the simpler the strategy, the better. Really, you don't need to overcomplicate anything. You don't need to overthink it. The simpler, the better. And it's the same, gentlemen, with Lunavio. If you don't know what Lunavio is, it's a tool, it's software, a platform for trading automation, right? We created a strategy, the Lunavio strategy, which is based on indicators like Bollinger Bands, stochastic RSI, and RSI, and when configured well, they give us really very good results. If you don't know how the strategy works, I invite you to visit the website lunaviotrading.com. Here is the site, and here you have step-by-step instructions on what needs to be done. Just remember that investing is very risky, that you can lose all your money by investing it in any form of assets, and also that past results do not guarantee the same results in the future. See the first step on this gauge? You register on Lunavio, you register on the BitUnix exchange, you register on the MEXC exchange, and step 2 is to watch all these tutorials on how Lunavio works, then how the Lunavio strategy works, how to perform backtests of this strategy, right? And how this strategy later executes trades for us. I'm going to switch to this platform for a moment now. This is the Lunavio platform, and look at today's results. Today, 16 platform users collectively earned $1,120, right? We had a win rate of almost 98%. Out of 43 trades, as many as 42 ended in the green with a profit. Yesterday, the stats from yesterday were $1,400 in the green, a 92% win rate. The last 7 days, look, a 93% win rate. 8,000 on. The last 14 days, as much as almost $15,000. Look, almost 1,000 trades were played, and out of that, how many? 896 were in the green, which means a 93% win rate, right? Okay, Nira, take it easy here. I'm just telling my buddy something here. And I think that's everything. Oh, see, exactly. We're finishing up. Ladies and gentlemen, well, thanks. For now, goodbye. Bye.